If you've decided to close your Deezer account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Deezer website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account you wish to close. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find the subscription section. In the account settings menu, look for the subscription or billing section. This is where you can manage your subscription details and account status. Step 4. Cancel your subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel your subscription. You may need to confirm your decision and provide a reason for leaving. Ensure that you complete this step to avoid being charged again. Step 5. Delete your account. After canceling your subscription, look for the option to delete your account. Follow the instructions provided and confirm your choice. Be aware that this action is usually reversible. Once you have completed these steps, your Deezer account will be closed. Make sure to download any playlist or songs you want to keep before starting this process, as you may lose access to them after account deletion.